Welcome friends, and in this video you're going to learn, can the BIOPTRON work through clothes? Well, firstly, my name is William Bisset and I'm the Director of StimTech Medical and the Brilin Functional Medicine Centres. And as BIOPTRON agents, we sell the BIOPTRON, we use BIOPTRON in our clinics, and for all our clients we actually offer exclusive training if you purchase from us. Now, the question is, will the BIOPTRON work through clothes? Well, BIOPTRON says it must be on the skin. But what we have found is that actually the BIOPTRON works through clothes pretty well. In fact, we've had clients who we've actually worked through thick jackets and they've noticed a significant difference within 8 to 10 minutes of treatment. And I guess the reason being is a lot of people see this as a light therapy or a colour therapy, and so it doesn't make sense that it would work through clothes. But what we can't forget is that the BIOPTRON changes the structure of the light into parallel energies, which can actually stimulate as a frequency through objects. Like, for example, we can receive a radio station inside a building, for example. So yes, of course, ideally, if you can put it on the skin, that would be better. But then we know sometimes if you've got family around or visitors and you want to do some BIOPTRON maybe in a bit of a sensitive spot, well, just do it through the clothes. There's no problems at all. If you've got some big bandages on, well, the BIOPTRON should work through the bandages as well. In fact, one lady claimed that she felt that it made a big difference working through the cast of a broken leg. Well, you know, I'm not really sure if it would work through the cast of a leg. The science probably says yes, it could. I'm certainly not claiming that. But we certainly do have significant improvement with people through clothes. Now, I know a number of BIOPTRON colleagues who are absolutely adamant that you've got to do it on the skin. Well, again, if you can do it on the skin, great, but don't feel uncomfortable working through the clothes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm making more videos about how the BIOPTRON works, so please subscribe to my channels and like and share and even leave us a comment. And again, for people who buy the BIOPTRON directly off us, we kind of offer almost unlimited training for them. And we also train other practitioners as well. So thank you for watching.